messed it up so bad that I had no chance.
Wow, so you probably thought it was gonna come out.
No, I was like, we'll see what they.
We'll see what we can do. Yeah, that's why I told you. We'll see what we can do. It came out.
Yeah, defying all expectations.
Thank you, Jeff. I appreciate it. Man, you know, I realize you spell your name different too.
Yeah, with a G.
You with a G, yeah.
My parents how to make things difficult.
Awesome, man. Guys, November the 22nd, we just got to our second job of the day. This is a quartz countertop. This is Jeff. Jeff was referred to me by Craig, and Craig was referred to me by my client here. We did her wood floors. I can't remember her name, but we did her, hello. How you doing? We did her wood floors, wax removal, screen recoat with UV cure, and then she referred me to Craig. Craig, we did his countertops and his bathroom vanities, and Craig referred me to Jeff. So we're going to be doing his quartz island, and I'll show you guys. So let me flip this around. All right, guys. So literally, we just came from another job. Thank you again to my client for allowing me to do another property for him. And what we're going to be doing here, and that job was literally less than 2 miles away. All right, guys, so wood and countertops, that's what Truman focuses on. All right, so what T is doing now is we're cleaning it. So we're going to do this island right here. So we're cleaning it right now just to get all the contaminants off of it. And then we are going to buff it out. And then this one right here as well has a lot of marks. And then we're gonna, little burn area, gonna hit this right here as well. All right, guys, let's get this party started. Stay tuned.
Rolling in Midtown, Atlanta on the rival. Quartz on the counters, dull under the lights. Neighbors said call Truman, they'll get you right. So we fired up the past, brought the shine back to life. Midtown shine.
Quartz recondition, looking better than the first time.
We glide like vinyl, moving in a 70s wave. Countertops glowing like they stepped out of rave. Neighbor referral turned into another win. And the client said, next project, I'm calling you again.
Oh, results keep happening.
In the heart of Atlanta, that countertop glow. Truman in the building and everybody knows. Truman Quartz in Midtown, shining like a dream. Beautiful.
All right, guys, that is gonna do it. Look at that now. Thank you, Jeff, again. And also, thank you, Craig, for referring to Jeff. And also, thank you, Suzanne. That's her name, Suzanne, for referring to Craig. So Jeff is very, very happy with the work. All those water rays came out. And then the main thing that Jeff did was a square. You can no longer see that, guys. So again, this is quartz reconditioning. This is not full restoration, just like when we do hardwood floors. But again, if it gets too bad or it just wears out, just when you have to get it like totally honed down, almost like sanded. But for this issue, this is perfect, guys. All right, well, there it is, guys, our second job of the day. So we're about to head in. We'll see you Monday